Intro. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic for anyone interested in artificial intelligence and machine learning: building a scalable AI model deployment pipeline, from development to production in 5 steps. In recent years, the demand for AI solutions has skyrocketed, and organizations are realizing that a seamless deployment pipeline is essential for leveraging the power of AI effectively. In this video, we'll take you through a comprehensive guide on how to create a deployment pipeline that not only meets your immediate needs but also scales with your organization's growth. Step 1: Strategic Planning and Design. The first step in building a scalable AI model deployment pipeline is strategic planning and design. This is where you lay the groundwork for everything that follows. Start by identifying your key objectives and constraints. What problems are you trying to solve with your AI model? Who are the end users? What are the technical requirements and limitations of your deployment environment? Engage with stakeholders from various departments, including data science, engineering, DevOps, and business units. Their insights will help you align your AI deployment goals with the broader organizational strategy. During this phase, you should also evaluate different deployment scenarios. Will your model run on the cloud, on-premises, or at the edge? Understanding your deployment environment will significantly impact how you design your pipeline. It's also vital to consider scalability from the outset. How will your model handle increased workloads? Will you need to support multiple versions of the model? By contemplating these questions early in the process, you can design a robust architecture that accommodates future growth and flexibility. Step 2: Data Preparation and Model Training. Once you have a clear strategic design, the next step is data preparation and model training. This is where the magic begins, as your AI model starts to take shape. Good data is the foundation of any successful AI initiative. Make sure to collect, clean, and pre-process the data that will be used for training your model. This includes removing duplicates, handling missing values, and ensuring that the dataset is unbiased and representative of the problem domain. Next, choose the right algorithms and frameworks for your model. Depending on your specific use case, various machine learning or deep learning techniques may be applicable. You could leverage popular libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch, or scikit-learn. During this phase, it's also important to establish a robust experiment tracking system, such as MLflow or weights and biases, to monitor model performance and keep track of different experiments. As you train your model, pay attention to overfitting and underfitting. Use techniques like cross-validation and hyperparameter tuning to strike the right balance. This iterative process of refining your model will be crucial as you move toward deployment. Keep in mind that your model's performance will directly impact how well it serves the end users, so invest the necessary time and resources in this stage. Step 3: Implementing continuous integration and continuous deployment, CI/CD. With a trained model in hand, it's time to focus on implementing continuous integration and continuous deployment, or CI/CD. CI/CD is a crucial methodology in software development, and it's equally important in the field of AI. This step involves automating the process of integrating new code changes into a shared repository and deploying them to production environments. Start by using version control systems like Git to manage your codebase. This allows multiple team members to collaborate effectively and track changes over time. Set up automated testing to validate the performance and functionality of your model continuously. Unit tests, integration tests, and end-to-end tests help ensure that any new changes do not introduce bugs or degrade model performance. Once you have established CI practices, you can implement a deployment pipeline that automatically pushes updates to production. This could involve containerization technologies like Docker and orchestration tools like Kubernetes, which help package your model along with its dependencies for consistent deployment. By automating the deployment process, you reduce the risk of human error and can release new features and updates more frequently. Ensure that your deployment pipeline is capable of rolling back any changes if issues arise in production. This is where monitoring and logging become essential. Use tools like Prometheus or Grafana to monitor the health and performance of your deployed models in real time, allowing for quick diagnosis and resolution of potential issues. Step 4: Monitoring, Management, and Feedback Loop. Once your model is up and running in production, the work doesn't stop there. The next step is monitoring, management, and establishing a feedback loop. This phase is critical for ensuring that your AI model continues to perform well over time. As data evolves, model performance can degrade, a phenomenon known as model drift. Establishing a robust monitoring system helps you detect any decline in performance early. Utilize metrics that matter for your specific use case, such as accuracy, precision, recall, or F1 score, depending on your goals. Set up alerts to notify your team if performance drops below a certain threshold. This proactive approach allows you to take corrective measures before users are affected. Collect user feedback to better understand how the model is being used. Engaging with end users can provide valuable insights into improving the model and the overall user experience. This feedback loop is essential for iterative development, as it enables your team to refine the model based on real-world performance and user needs. Additionally, create a management framework that outlines how to handle model updates. As you gather more data or develop new algorithms, decide whether to retrain the existing model, deploy a new model version, or even roll back to a previous version. This governance structure will help you manage the lifecycle of your AI models effectively. Step 5. Scaling and optimizing the deployment pipeline. The final step in building a scalable AI model deployment pipeline is scaling and optimizing. As your organization grows and the demand for AI solutions increases, your deployment pipeline must be capable of handling larger volumes of data and requests. This might involve optimizing your infrastructure, such as scaling up your server capabilities or using serverless computing to manage fluctuating workloads. Evaluate whether your current architecture can support multiple models or concurrent requests. You may want to explore microservices architecture, which breaks down your application into smaller, independent services that can be deployed and scaled individually. This approach enhances flexibility and allows you to allocate resources efficiently based on demand. Optimization doesn't only pertain to hardware, it also involves refining your model itself. Regularly assess and retrain the model using new data to enhance its performance. Consider techniques like transfer learning or ensemble learning to improve accuracy and robustness. Lastly, ensure that your deployment pipeline is adaptable to changes in technology or business needs. As new tools and methodologies emerge in the AI space, keep your pipeline updated to leverage the latest advancements. Continuous learning and adaptation are keys to maintaining a competitive edge in the rapidly evolving field of AI. Conclusion. In conclusion, building a scalable AI model deployment pipeline is a multifaceted endeavor that requires careful planning, execution, and ongoing management. By following these 5 steps: strategic planning and design, data preparation and model training, implementing CI/CD, monitoring and management, and scaling and optimization, you can create a robust framework that supports your AI initiatives. Remember, the journey from development to production is not linear, it involves constant iteration and improvement. So, stay agile and open to feedback, and don't hesitate to refactor your pipeline as needed. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insights into AI and machine learning topics. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments section below. What challenges have you faced in deploying AI models? What strategies have worked for you? Let's keep the conversation going. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.